Hello guys, today in this video I am going to demonstrate you how we can install Visual Studio Code in macOS. So here first of all I will open Google and here I will type Visual Studio Code and here I will click on code editing, and once this will open the URL, then I will go here again and download Mac Universal Stable Build, and I have clicked here and now it will start downloading. Okay, if it does not, then here you can see here I will click on allow, and now it will be downloaded in my downloads, and I can also see the progress. If it is show you, I can click on here finder and you can see here it is right now downloading, and the total size will be, I don't know how many. Now you can see downloading is completed. So once I will click on here or double click on here, then it will automatically show me this pop-up that Visual Studio Code is an app downloaded from internet. Are you sure want to open it? So I will just click on open here, and you can see it Visual Studio Code is running now. So that is all what you need to do for install it.